Hello everyone, my name is Aviva Braun. I'm an incident meteorologist serving with Northwest Team 6 on the Cameron Peak fire. So there's been a lot of questions coming in about the front coming through and what that means for the fire. So this evening we'll start feeling the effects of the incoming front coming through tomorrow, with winds increasing steadily overnight. The peak winds come first thing in the morning, Sunday morning, ahead of that front in the form of mountain wave activity over the fire. We're going to get 60 to 70 mile per hour winds, and the good thing is that at least it's happening before the peak burning period, which happens in the afternoon when the temperatures are the warmest and the sun is out. The front itself is coming through anywhere between the morning, or mid-morning through early afternoon. There's really not a lot of precipitation coming through with it, unfortunately. Thinking somewhere around a tenth, if we're lucky, 2/10, but really that doesn't translate to much over the fire. That could mean maybe 2 to 3 inches tops of snow, but more likely we're looking at an inch. It's a very dry air mass moving through with this system. So behind it, once we get that, paired with the strong winds and the drying right behind it with that dry air mass right behind it, it's not going to stick around for very long. There's going to be a lot of evaporation occurring and sublimation. That's when it goes from snow directly to vapor. And that's what I've been telling the firefighters, is it's really not going to stay around for very long, and really we're just going into another drying period that will be cooler, so there's that. The other plus side is that behind this, the overnight recoveries, the humidities that we reach overnight, will be out of the poor range and into the moderated range. And so at least there's some injection of moisture into the vegetation, the fuels, every single morning for the duration of this week. But during the day will be dry and very windy Sunday, well, tonight, and out through Thursday. Thursday we finally start seeing the winds come out of the 40 to 50 mile per range and back down into the 30 mile per range for our wind gusts over the fire. Just wanted to give you a quick update on how this really strong cold front will be affecting our fire, and thank you for tuning in.